Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we had discussed about the land resources. Today we will start another important resource, the soil resources. Now, soil is one of the most important and essential natural resources. Farmers and gardeners know this fact and go to great efforts to conserve it. They understand that when the soil is destroyed, then gardens will not be successful and good crops cannot grow. They also know that it takes a considerable amount of time for soil to form. So we should know what actually is a soil. So soil, it is the mixture of organic matter, is humus, minerals, gases, liquids and organisms that together support life. Okay, now soil may contain there can be lots of constituents. Which are the constituents of soil? It can be micro pieces of wood, sand, root, minerals, salt, dead plants, air, water, rocks, clay, and any other organic substance. So therefore, the upper layer of lithosphere, which is made up of thinly particles, very fine particles, that is soil. So soil is a part of land resources. Okay, we should know the importance of soil resources. Now soil is a renewable resource, although it takes lots of time, lots of years, okay, for that renewable, but it is a very important resource and it is renewable. For a few centimeter thickness of soil, it takes about 100 years. Okay. Next is, it is medium for plant growth. We know without soil, the plants, they cannot grow. Okay. Supports different types of living organisms. Now, soil is also home of so many creatures and microorganisms which live inside the soil that we know. Okay. Then it is a filtration system for surface water. That means there is a porous structure in the soil, and through these pores, the water, rainwater, okay, that comes to the surface, this seeps inside the ground through these pores, and it remains there for us as a underground water. So therefore, because of soil, that water we can use at any time because of porous structure of soil. Now soil, because it supports the growth of plant, the flowers, it also satisfies our aesthetic need, because when we see those gardens and plants and flowers, we become very happy. So therefore, it is having these all important features. They are important in this way, soil resource. So therefore, soil is extremely important to water filtration and storage. Soil's large surface area traps particulate and dissolved impurities from water. It also retains water against gravity like a sponge during periods of high rainfall. Okay, so this water may be released slowly during drier periods. And then in addition, this soil supports the growth of wild plants in grasslands and forests. These ecosystems provide a number of ecological services including air and water filtration, carbon storage and wildlife production as well. Now soil profile. What is soil profile? Soil horizon. So it is a layer parallel to the soil surface whose physical, chemical, biological characteristics differ from the layers above and beneath. In simple language, you can say it is defined as the vertical cross section of the soil made of layers running parallel to the surface. These layers are known as soil horizon. Okay, so therefore soil constituents include 40 to 45% inorganic substances. Inorganic means the rock particles, mainly sand, silt and clay. 5% organic matter, that is humus, 25% air and 25% water. Okay, so these are the main and important constituents of soil, and soil may contain this different proportion. Okay, so this is the diagram of soil profile. This first layer is topsoil. This layer consists of both organic matter and other decomposed materials. The topsoil is soft and porous to hold enough air and water. Okay, this layer consists of microorganisms such as earthworm, fungi, bacteria, etc. The second layer is the B horizon or the subsoil. It is the subsurface horizon present just below the topsoil and above the bedrock. It is comparatively harder and compact than topsoil. It contains less humus, soluble minerals and organic matter. It is a site of deposition of certain minerals and metal salts such as iron oxide. This layer holds enough water than the topsoil and is lighter brown due to the presence of clay soil. Now next is the C horizon, that is unweathered parent rock. Unweathered rock. This layer is devoid of any organic matter and is made up of broken bedrock. Okay, the geological material present in this zone is cemented. Then comes the last one, that is bedrock or parent rock. It is compacted and cemented layer. Different types of rocks such as granite, basalt and limestone are found here.